Guys, good morning. Actually, afternoon. It's past 12. But otherwise, um, I'm here to show you guys how to cook chicken tinola on a crockpot pressure cooker. Grew up eating it when I was younger, and now, as an adult, mom used to always cook it here and there. But yeah, let's get started. Show you what ingredients we need. So I pre-washed the chicken drumstick, which I purchased from Costco in bulk, and then I peeled the ciote and chopped up the green onions, and I also have onions, and I think I'm gonna use a whole bulk of garlic, because I love garlic, and then ginger right here. Probably use like half. And I have this jalapeno, which I'm gonna put after the chicken gets cooked. Just made me some coffee to get me through this day, through this dish that I'm cooking. Maybe some iced coffee. Yeah, and it's mine. Yo, I hate cutting onions. That should be making my eyes teary. Look at this. God, I'm almost there, y'all. I don't know, can y'all see that? Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm about to get done chopping this up, getting everything all set up and prepared so I can throw it in the crock pot and get things started. All right, now. So here you go. We got our chopped green onions, our chayote, ginger, minced garlic, jalapeno, and I just cut up a half of onions, and our chicken drumsticks. Yeah. So guys, about this crock pot from Kohl's on Black Friday. So what I did is I pressed the brown saute, which I'm sauteing the garlic, onions, and ginger. And I pressed start, and it presets to 30 minutes. And just to let you know, I didn't mention in the beginning, but I just started using this item today. And I had to go through the crock pot owner's guide to make sure that I'm operating the crock pot correctly. So yeah, so I'm preheating it, and once that's hot, I'm gonna add oil, and so that it can cook saute the needed ingredients together. So yo, I'm kind of excited cooking this thing. Well, I'm hungry. All I had was a protein shake. And yeah, can't wait. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon and a half of canola oil. There you go. So I threw in the garlic. Once it was hot and ready to go, I threw the oil, and also I threw the garlic and let it saute in there for a minute. Then added the ginger right after for another minute. And it's all about preference, however you want to leave it in there. And then I threw the onion right after, and I'm letting it saute in there until it's halfway cooked before it's throwing my chicken inside. All right. Hey guys, so my onions are halfway sauteed. And also I threw in, as you noticed, I threw in drumsticks, about 10 pieces in here, and I'm just evenly cooking them out before I start the pressure cooking. So I'm gonna add the garlic salt and the black pepper for flavoring. Depends on how much you want to put in there. I like flavor, so I don't like bland taste. All right, now. So I poured in half a tablespoon of black pepper, and then also half a tablespoon of what is this? Garlic salt. And I'll add some later on once it's fully cooked for taste. So guys, I added about, I think, 6 cups of water. I didn't want to pour too much because there's a limit that you can't go above on. because it may like spray out once you release the pressure valve. So I'm adding that. I'm gonna close the lid and set it to 13 minutes of cooking, pressure cooking, and then come back and see the result from there. And then we'll just add the other ingredients on there and let it cook with it until it softens up. Hey guys, so what I did is I clicked the soup button and I adjusted the time I want the soup to cook for. It's heating right now, so once the heating part is done, it will start the countdown and inform me. It will beep also and inform me that when it's done, so I can release the pressure valve. So the countdown began about 2 minutes ago. I set it for 13 minutes. I did press the soup, and also I did not mention after mentioning about setting it 13 minutes. Also, make sure you press start and that the lid is secured on lock. And make sure that the pressure valve is set right there where it's closed. And then right now we're just playing the waiting game. I guess 10 minutes, right? Get whatever you need done, like sweeping the floor in the house and whatever, and then come back to it once it cooked. It should give me a beeping sound. Alright, let's come back. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Okay, let's go, hold on. Oh god. It's not that bad. Look at it go. Oh my god, it smells so good. The aroma in this chicken. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna wait till it's done releasing the pressure in there, and then we'll come back and then start adding the ingredients and stuff. And also want to mention, I don't know if you could hear me, but I'm gonna add like half a tablespoon for taste, well, for the broth, and that's what I'm using. Yo, the chicken is so fucking, it's cooked the way, well, it's done right, and it's so fucking like you could pierce the fork into it, and it's like, oh my god. Yo, you guys need to get one of these pressure cookers. Crockpot or Instant Pot, it don't matter. But man, look how soft this chicken meat is. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna add my ciote, and also my half a tablespoon of this right here, this chicken base, and then season it the way I want it for taste. And also with throwing in that ciote, I'm gonna add this also, this jalapeno, just the whole thing for like spice purposes. So I added my ciote in there while it's cooking with the jalapeno. I also added the chicken base. I added a half a teaspoon at first, and I added another half second, just so that I know where my taste level is. And also, like, I did add more seasoning, same seasoning, for taste. I like it to taste the way I want it to taste, so it really depends on your preference. And also I did a tablespoon of fish sauce. It all depends whether you want to add that on there. Alright, while this is cooking for another 4 or 5 minutes, until the ciote kind of has that softened texture on it, then we'll add the spinach and the green onions, and that's basically it. I don't really need to go video that part, but yeah, once that's all cooked, you're all done. Turn off your crock pot and then serve it to whoever, yourself, others, friends, family, and enjoy. Thank you.